Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best fret erasers is probably one of the most overlooked guitar maintenance tools, but keeping your frets clean can dramatically improve your playing experience, extending the life of your instrument and enhancing its playability. A clean fretboard not only looks better but also ensures that your strings ring clearly and cleanly, free from unwanted buzzing or dead notes, ultimately improving your tone and making your guitar a joy to play. Today, we'll explore the top fret erasers on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your guitar in tip-top shape. Number 5. Baroque Fret Erasers Kit. It's made from durable natural rubber and emery, ensuring efficient and long-lasting fret polishing. The emery's hardness surpasses corundum for superior results. This fret polish eraser tackles various issues, from fret file scratches to corrosion and rust on frets and strings. It's perfect for many instruments, including guitars, basses, and ukuleles. Its soft, elastic material conforms to strings and frets, minimizing damage. You can even cut it into different shapes for easier polishing of various metal parts. The kit includes 5 erasers with grits ranging from 180 to 2000. Choose the grit that best suits your needs, from heavy rust removal to a fine, bright polish. They're the perfect size for comfortable use, with clear grit markings for easy identification. The attractive packaging adds a nice touch. But please keep it away from children, it looks like candy. What we like. This comprehensive set offers 5 different grits for tackling various levels of fret wear. It's efficient and long-lasting, making it perfect for those who need a versatile solution for all their fret maintenance needs. If you need to handle various levels of fret damage, this is the best choice for you. What people say. These polishers are compact and come together in a nice plastic container. Just another tool to have in your kit. Used this after I leveled the frets. It was easy to polish the fret bars with this product. These erasers are great. I just used them on a fret level for nickel frets and made the job much easier on my hands than sandpaper. They came out like a mirror. Using these really made stainless much easier to get super mirror polish. Number 4. Baroque Fret Erasers Kit. It's made from durable natural rubber and emery, ensuring efficient and long-lasting fret polishing. The emery's hardness surpasses corundum for superior performance. This fret polisher tackles various issues, from fret file scratches to corrosion and rust on frets and strings. It's perfect for many instruments, including guitars, basses, and ukuleles. Its soft, elastic material conforms to the strings and frets, minimizing damage. You can even cut it into different shapes for easier polishing. The kit includes 180, 400, and 1000 grit erasers. Choose the grit that best suits your needs, higher grits create a finer, brighter polish. They're the perfect size for comfortable use, clearly numbered for easy identification, and attractively packaged. But remember to keep it away from children. What we like. This set provides 3 grits to address common fret issues. It's efficient and long-lasting, making it a cost-effective solution for maintaining your frets. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is a great option for you. What people say. It is amazing how much oxidation, filth, and junk build up on your frets, and you really don't notice, until you start to clean them. This is a really nice set for keeping that shine. Like Goldilocks, this set doesn't give you too much or too little. Along with your favorite neck oil, this set is all you need. It'll last a lifetime. These sanding pads were super easy to use and pretty durable. I taped off my frets, and got to work. It plays like butter now, with no issues. They work exactly as advertised, and yield wonderful results. The nickel frets on my Music Man Silhouette Special had quite the patina on them, almost all the luster from the frets had left, like a pet bird you take outside for an off-leash walk. Wait, what was I saying? Right, I bought these to restore my frets and can say that they work and perform as advertised. The frets feel as smooth as when they were last dressed and leveled, so this is a great staple to keep in your guitar maintenance toolkit. Number 3. StewMac Fret Erasers. Introducing StewMac Fret Erasers, the simple solution for polishing your frets to a brilliant shine. These abrasive rubber blocks make quick work of imperfections. Easily remove fine file marks and scratches from your frets. It's the perfect way to restore your instrument to its former glory. Each grit is color-coded for easy identification and selection. This makes finding the right tool for the job quick and simple. Get ready for buttery smooth playing. They'll leave your frets gleaming and feeling fantastic. This complete set includes 7 different grits, 220, 400, 800, 1200, 2000, 4000, and 8000, to handle any fret polishing job. You'll have everything you need. What we like. This set boasts 7 different grits, all color-coded for easy identification. It's a complete set that will give you the best results. If you're a professional or serious enthusiast seeking precision and a wide range of grits, this is the one for you. What people say. Right after a fret crowning, or even if you want to just tape off the neck and give your instrument a nice detail cleaning, these are awesome. No sandpaper has ever given me these results, no polishing pads, nothing. With a final touch of polish, the frets are as smooth as glass. Did 4 guitars with them so far and they barely look used. So, these should last a long time. Number 2. Baroque fret erasers. These innovative fret erasers come in a set of 3, each with a different grit for various levels of polishing. They're designed to make fret maintenance easier and more efficient. With 180, 400, and 1000 grit options, it's easy to remove deep scratches and achieve a smooth, professional finish. Start with the coarser grits and finish with the finest for optimal results. These erasers effectively clean rust and oxidation from your guitar frets and strings. They're a simple yet powerful tool for maintaining your instrument. Just like using a pencil eraser, simply rub it on the fret. It's much easier than sandpaper or steel wool and produces no harmful dust. Made of soft, flexible rubber, they conform to the fret's shape, preventing damage to the fretboard. Plus, you can easily cut them to size for precision work. While they may smell sweet, please remember these are not candy. Keep them away from children. What we like. This set includes 3 grits, effectively removing scratches and leaving a smooth finish. It's easy to use and healthier than other methods. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and healthy way to polish your frets, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These erasers were super helpful in smoothing down the sprout and polishing the frets. The photos show the severe wear on the before view. I protected the fretboard with carefully applied tape, then worked over each fret starting with the 180 grit, followed by the 400, then finished up with the 1000 to get a nice shine. The frets are not perfect now, but many times better than before. They worked great with minimal effort and left the frets very smooth and shiny. Number 1. Baroque fret polishing erasers. Experience the ultimate fret polishing solution. This set provides a complete system for restoring your frets to a mirror shine. With grits ranging from 180 to 2000, it tackles any level of fret wear. Achieve a flawless, buttery smooth playing surface. Made from natural rubber and emery using a special foaming process, it's durable and effective. It's the simple, fast solution for repairing scratches and oxidation. It also cleans your guitar strings, removing oxidation and rust. Remember to use anti-rust and lubricating oil afterwards for optimal protection. Its flexible design conforms to frets and strings, minimizing damage. Plus, you can easily cut it to fit your needs. It's the ideal complement to the Baroque fret crowning file. Get professional results with ease. While it may smell sweet, it's not candy. Keep it away from children. What we like. This upgraded set offers 5 grits for a mirror-like shine and buttery smooth playability. It's a fast and simple polishing tool that repairs scratches and removes oxidation. If you desire a professional level polish and smooth playing experience, this is the set for you. What people say. These fret erasers work great. Easy to use and wonderful results. These work really well when frets need to be cleaned up and or polished. I think you will find the quality of these to be superior of those that are much more expensive. These do a good job and save time. These should last a long time even with 6 guitars. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.